Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon.
Okay, you're welcome back to the class. And today we'll be having practical on the laboratory preparation of carbon 4 oxide. Laboratory preparation of what?
Carbon 4 oxide.
That is CO2. Okay? So we want to produce carbon 4 oxide gas using calcium carbonate. That is calcium trioxocarbonate. Carbonate what? 4. Calcium trioxocarbonate what?
4.
And dilute HCl. And what's the full meaning of HCl here?
Hydrochloric acid.
Again?
Hydrochloric acid.
So we are using acid and we'll be reacting it with calcium carbonate. That is calcium trioxocarbonate 4. Is that okay?
Yes.
So I will bring out some calcium carbonate and I will put them in the petri dish. I want you to use the test tube holder. Hold your test tube with the test tube holder. Then just take a spatula of this calcium carbonate. Just a spatula of calcium carbonate. When you put a spatula of calcium carbonate, okay, your own is small. So gradually do that. Gradually do that. If your test tube is small, please gradually pour. Give her a spatula. Please adjust a little. Okay, so we will be putting hydrochloric acid into it. Now, when we put hydrochloric acid, we will observe what will happen. You will notice effervescence will take place. You will hear shh sound, okay?
Yes.
Okay, as if something is boiling. Okay, I want you to pour here. When you pour it, you will notice effervescence. Then we will use a glowing split to test it. When we put a glowing split, that means is that okay?
Yes.
We will make sure that this split there is light in it. When we put it, if the gas that is coming out is carbon 4 oxide, it will stop the light. It will quench or extinguish the light. Is that okay?
Yes.
And that is why carbon 4 oxide is used in the production of fire extinguisher. So we will try that now. Wait, hold on, let me light this. Oh, the breeze is disturbing. Okay, bring it up. You see, can you see that?
Yes.
You see that the light just went off immediately I put it there.
Yes.
To show that carbon 4 oxide was evolving. So you notice the shh sound.
Yes.
That's effervescence that happened and the carbon 4 oxide was liberated. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's try your own too. Do we test everybody's own? Because of our time, we may just test. You see it? Did you notice it?
Yes.
It will just quench the fire. That is why it is used to produce fire extinguisher, because it does not support combustion. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, so maybe let me just write the chemical equation for the reaction that took place. Trioxocarbonate 4 in solid state reacting with HCl, that's hydrochloric acid, to produce this calcium will displace hydrogen. So you have calcium chloride plus water plus CO2 gas, which will be evolved. Is okay?
Yeah.
So the equation is not balanced. We put 2 here, then it is balanced. We have 2 moles here,
Yes.
2 moles, so the equation is balanced. Is that okay?
Yes.
So you can see carbon 4 oxide that is evolved. Is that okay?
Yes.
So in testing, to be sure that what actually came out was carbon 4 oxide, we use that glowing split. Okay?
Yes.
It will quench it. Is that okay?
Yes.
Because carbon 4 oxide does not support combustion. Is that okay?
Yes.
And that is why it is used in the production of fire extinguisher. So the remaining people, you can actually pour your own. You can do so that you observe it too. But I will not be lightening the they split again. So we'll be stopping here because of our time. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, so we can do that later. Is that okay?
Yes.
So thank you very much and see you in our next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.